Want to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 error code 001-403 server issue detected? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to flying. Let's dive in. First things first, error 001-403 clearly indicates a server-side issue with Microsoft Flight Simulator, meaning the problem is on Microsoft's end, not yours. Now, the easiest fix is to simply wait it out. This error is almost always temporary, typically due to server maintenance, outages, or extremely high traffic. Check the official Microsoft Flight Simulator social media, Twitter X, or the Xbox Live status page for any announcements. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait. Next, restart Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 and your PC or Xbox console. Close the game completely, restart your device, and then relaunch the game. This can clear temporary glitches that might be preventing proper server connection. You'll also want to check your internet connection for stability and speed. While the error points to servers, a weak or intermittent connection on your end can also cause difficulty connecting. Try restarting your router and modem. For PC users, ensure your Xbox app and Microsoft Store apps are fully updated. Also, try clearing the cache for these applications. Finally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. If the problem persists, it might be a regional server issue. Try again later. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more flight simulator tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.